Khot Jingialang ka IIM Shillong Iaki Khlieh nongsynshar Shnong ka bri hynñiewtrep balalam khmat da uba RL bala banyak kren sani halor kumno ban Pynshlur Iaki Samla Pule kani ka thaiñ bakin yo lat ban Pule katei ka skul ba kabadon hakani ka nongbah Shillong katei ka Jingialang laya don ruki nongmih khmat na ki jaka Pule kiba kynthup ya ka Shillong College Synod College but Fr Richard Manbha Majaw ubala mi khmat ya ka Shillong Archdiocese Education Society.
15 years of our existence. Shillong was established in the year 2007 and we started our first MBA program in the year 2008. So we have just completed 15 years. And as far as Shillong is concerned, we are having 3 different programs, that is MBA, PhD and Executive MBA. But also we are having a centers, that is Center for Development of Northeast region and also Center for the Incubation and New Startups, also a Center for Dr. Abdul Kalam Center for Policy Research. So today we have just invited, requested all the devotional people just to have some interaction dialogue with us so that we can understand their aspirations, their expectations from Shillong. Because we are here and our students, they come through a very rigorous, tough test and there are about 700 students. And our students and all faculty colleagues, they would like to contribute something for the development of this region. So we were just trying to understand their expectations from Shillong. Also, we also wanted to give us our vision that how we are going to do in the next 2-3 years. Like for example, we would now like to be going to all the schools and colleges of this place so that we can really make them aware about that how admissions in IIM happens. It could be IIM Shillong or any IIMs because there are only 20 IIMs. Students of this place and from all the northeast region, they should know that how to enter IIM Shillong, because sometimes they think that it is only for the elite class or the fees is very, very high. But we want to dispel all such fears because anybody can join us but only need some guidance or some mentoring or some hard work. And so that's the reason why we would like to go to different schools and colleges just to tell them that how to prepare for this exam, how to get admission, and as far as fees is concerned, the loans are available. Anybody who is getting admission in IIM Shillong, the loans are available without any collateral. And again, our placements, as we know, that is 100%, it's very good placements, so it should not be a problem for anybody. So today we have just wanted to have a dialogue to understanding that what are their expectations and how IIM Shillong can really reach out to all these people in the community at large and then see that how we can really contribute.
Namar bakal ka jingi kendu kalau kumno bang ni krilang bakal IIM. Awan rai ka jing menpoi ka pun bai kena pulih. Ni nakaliang jongki nak skul ba nak colleges dia ngalakam ni kuat ban kamban mak IIM kan kanya krilang ban ni colleges hakaliang ban kikai yaki ban kren yaki ban yo ki kam ki jam ban train yaki ban face ki interview yaki soft skills yang pentip syengi ki program jo fina nata ki khna haki haka sing yaki kam ki jam la jong kum bakadon to set na bakum tak di kumju rungi ong ba pentip ai jing tip syengi yaki training program amenya rilang bak IIM hakaliang bangin train ki nong ikai jong ru ki khna jungi kanumlong bakut no archdiocese yaka yuji ndai bakin perkhat banang ki syaplang tahi ka bang istna la bang iwan takat sini isu pu ba IIM ka dan hang ni raja palak kapsan snen amba kumangi kren hi amba nimda yo pa ta jintip spangal komplej ko IIM ang iskem kani ka meeting takat sini ka pli ya kata kalenti ba IIM kan collaborate pat ki colleges badon kami Khlieh untuk bagi colleges mereka di skul makanya kan krilang bagi Shnong kan ra bagi jeneng toy kan trickle down effect kan tay bagi ni ki jeneng toy kin nyai dut sabaro kena juni kin yo kam yo jam bakin yo ki jeneng baka rihi kan yo jeneng toy
bila beni tulum ni kendiat ka jeneng kembalapan pau ngai Pule ya kesenjuk kirang bas Shnong gabri hynñiewtrep matru ya kai IIM kebala khot subahai ni entah kasih sekali Khot Jingialang banyak perkhat ifang kabah kamiat jonggi kon Samla ki jongi te nakaliang jongi ki bawan ila ai bun gi jingmut jing perkhat bikin ya khmat bat arteli ni kini ngan suban minta away kalong ba let's say kila ban pelong ya ka coaching class na kabenta gitu gi kena ki bakwa ban le ya ka cat exam Marlada ka IIM kala ban pelong ya kan ni ngau ba kan long gajing arab sibut ti kata gajing ai jing mut ru kila pediang bat kumbala ong imam ni Dr. Kharpunga principal jong ka Shillong College kin sa pan kre ka structured plan kumno kin panya khmat but let's say kin sa shim ru ya kan ni ka suggestion kabaar kalong gajing ai jing mut kalong ba balai mapi kum ka IIM pim adopt ru ya kini ki Shnong gi jongi da kabadon ga village adoption program ilaban adopt da kabastang kawai ha Chantia Hills kawai ha Kasil kawai ha Garo Hills pidon kum ka IIM pidon ka sab ka phong jong kino hikai baro ke balaban kedup ya kita ki badunan du abaro kilia pidon ru gitu gi student ki balapas ki ba kloy ban yarap ti kamdon jing e ban ya chakmat ti kita ki di jing ai jing mut ki jongi but let's say ki kerman ba kini ki banai ki snam ki banwan ka IIM ru kala ban shim mi kini penya ki chakmat
Win away. Kat bang nakala jong pat ndon bawat. Henry lamba kini ka jingkhang ba play menta kasngi balaya thu do new director. Long ki kloy ban ai ki kamon ka ti gadiang ban yarap. Ya ki brio lo jong nongkong ai. Ban ngis ngongu new director wat do day bom day na gani gajela. Henry udan kata ka jingkit Khlieh ba balik tra jela kemuan syakmat. Ti nakaliang ke jongi ngila ai ke kamon ke diang ya ka ni ke institute but sungu ru ikini ke laingot ke beton nang bak ni ba niki institutions ke repair ba ikong nei la invite Iaki father ru kumjo ba ben ru kumjo bakin one ke institute ke jongki bakin ai ke lectures ke jongki syaki kena skul syaki kena college kumno ban batai ki hagano kom ki kwa ban Shnong rem ke jing em lejong ban sedang ya ke kam lejong kumno ban teng ya ke Pule dang de bat kadon ru ka wei ka snat ke ba kidang supeni menta bat kata kadei ka badai bat kerni ka language issue bat ki hikai namenta ka kten Japan but duration jong kata ke course kalong shipu benar but kindala dep ya kata kadon ru ka placement bakila ben trace po Japan but bun ki wei department support ka IIM ki play lenti kalong job oriented sisin bala dep nang nin ai training nang ni kinyo but ngikmi lenti da ka jingwan jong ki institute ki ba repair no ki school sedo ki college kan ai bat kan play lat iki kena ki jongi bangim dei ban sngo do lat kut lat bangiwan niki yeng ki badok ki basdom niki jaka ki bukendong marhang ne ka IIM ko ba ka airu ya ka hostel facility ka balong free ki maha wat sil ngai ni hab ban peni bang nilong ki badon kata ka capacity but ki wei pat ki student ha kada re India hi barok koi lebih kat ni ngut ki kena kasi ngila produce niki IIM ke repair niki wei ki institute jong re India ni kwa bana kan ni kebadon hapo ka nongbah ka jongi ka jela ka jongi ha kini ki sansnem ke banwan bengin i ba kimi diki phongot ki ba qualify ya kini ka IIM te sai sen ni ai play ka pang